Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up online. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Line app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead and launch the app, then select Sign Up. Now, in a couple seconds, you're gonna see you have to choose the country region, then select continue with Apple. Once you do that, go ahead, give your Apple account details. Now, in a couple seconds, it's gonna ask you to type in your name. Go ahead, type in your name, then tap on the green arrow. Now, go ahead and create a new password. Make sure your password has an uppercase, a lowercase, number, and a symbol. Once you do that, go ahead and re-enter your password. Make sure you don't make any error, then tap on the green icon from your screen. Now, in a couple seconds on your screen, you're gonna see it's gonna take a few moments to load, but you'll see you've successfully signed up in Line. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up in Line. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.